Bit of a different video today. So I'm going to build out a Instagram funnel for Gymshark. So this will be kind of a welcome introductory funnel. So it'll be from the call to action will be from their bio, and this will initiate the funnel. So I'm going to build it out this live in ManyChat. If you want to pull up your ManyChat as well and kind of see how I do it and building it out alongside me, I'd suggest just pulling it up, just have it on a different screen. And then, so yeah, this is for e-commerce. So around brands, and this is going to give you an idea on how you can build out your funnel. This will just be a basic one, but then again, in some of my other videos, I've mentioned the different types. So the welcome series, and then giveaway posts and new drop funnels, just a couple of examples. This will just be a kind of welcome series from your bio. So I'll show you what that looks like inside of ManyChat now. So this is going to be inside of your ManyChat here, and you'll just want to start out the funnel like this. So your new trigger. So for this example, we're just going to do a message. So keyword. So let's say shark, and then you just create that there. So I'll head over to my Miro, but this is kind of the theory behind it and how it works from the Instagram side of things. So you have in your bio and you have a pin post. So for this example, we're just doing DM shark for a surprise. And then you may have a pin post, DM shark for a surprise as a description, and then you just want to have a creative or image for your content there. And this is from Instagram. So this is what I would do. So as I've kind of mentioned before, the website traffic just can't really compete with the DM conversion rate. As I've mentioned before, the website traffic only converts around 2 and 3%. And then just depending on how warm your traffic is, this can go as high as 30% from inside the DM funnels. So that's the kind of call to action, and then the Instagram side of things. So going back over to ManyChat, this is from just what I was saying then. So they'll DM shark, and then this is what it's going to happen. They'll take them over to ManyChat here. I've already put these creatives in just to save a bit of time and for me having go through my desktop and find all these images. But basically, your first message would just be something like this. Hey, first name, welcome to Gymshark. Click one of the options below. So it's the welcome funnel, just an example. And again, different kind of incentives and triggers you can kind of do from this. So it could just be commenting on a specific post. It could be replying to a story. It could be from a paid ad. But then this flows from the Instagram. So it's really important to make sure this aligns with this. So going into it here, hey, first name, welcome, click one of the options below. And so for this example, we've just got claim gift. So I'll show you, it'll just be 10% off. Shop now. This button here will take them straight to the website. So you can kind of see how this works. You just put a little emoji in there, something really easy, and then you'll just paste in your website. I don't know what it is, but let's just do that. For example, gymshark.com. And then so that button will just take them straight to the website. And then depending on what you kind of want to do with this as well. So for this example, I've just got our story, but this could just be something completely different. So say you're doing a giveaway, you're doing a new drop at the moment, something you want to mention to customers. You can do this as your kind of third option per se. But again, this is just an example. So for this one, drag it out here, Instagram, which is what I was just grabbing from the website before. So this is kind of their little about us, our story, legacy back in 2012 from a garage. So that's kind of something you can do there. And then you can add a image. It looks a bit better. It's like a run club. So you can kind of see how this works out here. Just give a little introduction there. So that's the our story bit, but then probably the main reason you clicked on this video is to kind of see how the email capture and then how just a basic funnel would work. So the claim gift one, this is probably going to be the most important one, and this is where you can collect the emails and start adding them into your CRM and then get them into your email opt-ins, into your Klaviyo. So this is what it would kind of look like here. So depending on what you want to do, let's just say for this example, it'd just be claim 10% off. Next order. And then you can kind of customize this, play it around. And then you'll just want to do something like this. There we go. Done. This one, where you collect the email, you'll just want to go to user input, enter your best email address to get your special code, something like that. And then you can do something like that, but probably not on brand with Gymshark, the love heart, but this is all the copy. So I do have a document on this, but you want to make sure this is tailored to your brand and your image. So keeping this on point with your messaging and your copywriting is really important. Delete that. And then collecting the email and saving this, you'll just want to save this to a custom field. So I've already got this set up, so you can just name it client email, something like that. And then from this, you want to drag this out and click on actions, and then you want to head over to Klaviyo. So this is where you create and update a contact in a list. So grabbing the field you saved it to, and then you just want to select which list you want to add it to. So this will just be your emails, most likely your big newsletter one, and then just save that there. And then from this, another message, you're all set. Copy the code below to use to get 10% off at checkout, something like that. What have we got here? Let's do another shark, something like that. And have your code in a separate message, so customers can just copy this and then click the button in a sec, and then they'll take that straight to the website. So from here, let's just do let's do card, and then let's go shop now. Select image here. I like this one, and you can kind of preview a product, whatever you kind of want to do for your creative there, and then you just add the button. Let me actually delete this. Use code now, and then you just do shop now, open the website, gymshark.com, something like that. So that's how you set up the buttons and then the website there. So that's pretty much basically it there. And then from this, you can get pretty complex as well. So adding actions and tags to when users take certain actions. So for this one, you can just do add action. Let's do, where is it? Contact data, add a tag, and then you can just do something like this, opened website opened. So this allows you to kind of store and collect data on what customers have taken actions from. And then from this as well, you can get even more complex. So adding in smart delays, and this is where you can follow up. So you want to keep this inside of ManyChat's guidelines, but basically, for example, will just be something like this. Let's wait 23 hours, send them another message. Hey, your code expires in 5 hours, whatever, 5 hours, an hour. Did you need a hand with anything? Something like that. And then again, you can send another reminder. So let's say this is 1 hour. Actually, let's make this 4 hours. And then you can just do something like this. Hey, first name, your code expires in 1 hour. Click the button below to get 10% off your next purchase. And then you just do the same thing. Open website. You can kind of get the gist there. So that's what the follow-up sequence as well. And then I kind of showed you what the adding tags and kind of collecting all the data looks like there. That's pretty much the whole funnel. I've kind of run through the shop now and then the our story. So again, this can all be tailored to what kind of angle you want to go with. So if it's a new drop, you could be, say for example, click the button below to join our VIP list and get early access to our new drop, or it could be click the button below to enter into our June giveaway, and you can potentially win a free bundle of all our Gymshark gear, something like that. And then what I just ran through then, so this is kind of how the build works for adding in your lead capture and then syncing this up to your Klaviyo, and then just giving them the code and how you kind of want to lay your funnels with their creatives. Creatives are really important just to mix it up, and it's pretty unique considering how new DM marketing is and what it kind of looks like, which is really cool. But that's basically the run through there. And then what you can do is just going over to preview. This is what it will kind of look like in Instagram. So you've got claim gift, shop now, our story, and then I won't do that because that actually won't take me there, but you'll just go like this. Yes, please. Enter your email address to get your special code. Welcome 10, you're all set, copy the code, and you can kind of see how that works there. One thing I will just say after just seeing this, you want to add in some smart delays. So for example, here, so after they've entered their email address, what you can do is add in a delay here. Wait 3 seconds, wait 2 seconds, something like that. And then you just want to space it out so they just don't get spammed with a bunch of copy. And then you just do the same thing over here. Maybe wait 1 second, as giving them the code's pretty important. And then you can kind of see how that works out there. So that is pretty much it, the whole kind of rundown there. If you have any questions about building this out or you need a hand with anything, always free to talk on Instagram. And I'll actually link some documents below in the description so you can kind of reference that and show you how you can actually build out your first funnel. But that's the whole run through there. Hopefully this was valuable and got some ideas on what you can do for your own brand and building this out for yourself. But that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one.